I just got back from my Japan and Korea trip, but I'm excited to show you guys this video today because I'll be doing a little series of like my childhood favorites, so things I grew up eating and things I still enjoy eating today. So you guys stay tuned for future videos on my childhood favorites, but today's video I'll be showing you guys how I grew up eating eggs, and I'll be showing you guys 4 different recipes of 4 different ways to cook eggs and how my mom and grandparents cook egg for us when we were little and growing up. So the first one is going to be eggs with fish sauce over rice, and then the second one is going to be eggs with tomatoes, and then the third one is going to be eggs with green onions and ginger, and the last one is going to be egg, cheddar, and butter sandwich. So if you guys can get fresh organic eggs, go ahead and utilize those in these recipes. They will taste so good. So yeah, let's go cook. Alright, the first one is going to have fish sauce and pepper flakes. This is the classic one, the one that we always eat in our family. So in the pan we're going to add in about a tablespoon of oil. Wait till it's hot, and then we're going to add in 2 eggs. Break it apart a little bit, and we're gonna add in some fish sauce. Once you add in the fish sauce, it's gonna stink up your house, so be careful. It's gonna stink up the house. And add some pepper flakes as much as you want. Stir it up, and that's about it. All done. Grab yourself a bowl of rice, and we're gonna pour the eggs over it, and if you guys want, you guys can drizzle it with a little bit more fish sauce, but if fish sauce is a little strong, then you don't have to, but in our family we like to do it, so it's up to you. Put a spoon in the bowl, and that's about it. Super classic in our family. So next one is going to be with tomatoes. So this is a super classic one that my grandpa would make for us back in the day. We're gonna add in oil in a pan and some sliced up tomatoes, and then just season it with some salt and pepper. Stir it up and let it cook until some of the juices are released. If you guys want, you guys can also press it a little bit so you can release some of the tomato juices, and it'll be easier and faster cooking wise. Once it's nice and soft, we're gonna add in 2 eggs. Season it with a little bit more salt. Stir it up, and that's about it. You can serve this over rice, and if you guys want, you can sprinkle some green onions over it, but I'm just doing it how my grandpa would make it for us back in the day. Okay, next one has ginger and green onions. This is probably one of my favorite. So in a bowl, we are going to crack 2 eggs, and we are going to add in our sliced green onions and minced up ginger. So we're gonna add that into the eggs. Season with some pepper and some salt. Mix that up, and we're gonna cook it. So in the pan, you're going to add in some oil, let that heat up, and then we're going to add in the egg mixture. You guys can cook this as an omelet or you guys can scramble it. It's really up to you how you like to cook your eggs. In our family, my mom would cook it as an omelet for us, and then we'll just like individually divide it between ourselves. Flip it over, let it cook fully, and that's about it for this one. This is probably one of my favorite one. I grew up eating this because my mom would make it a lot and I enjoy eating it, so it's my favorite. Alright, and last one has bread, butter, sriracha, and cheese. And in a pan, we're going to add in some butter. This is about a tablespoon of butter. Let that melt. And then we're going to add in 2 eggs. Sprinkle some salt and pepper. Flipped it over and turn off the heat right when you flip it over. And then we are going to add in a slice of cheddar cheese, or you guys can also use American cheese as well. We're gonna grab 2 slices of bread and let that toast. Toast it up. Plop. Place that on the plate, and then we're gonna add in the 2 eggs that we cooked up. And we're gonna add in some sriracha sauce. This is like a must for this sandwich. When we were a kid, it wasn't complete without sriracha. And then we're gonna place the top of the bread on top. And if you guys want, you guys can cut it in half or just eat it whole. And this is it for this. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until our next childhood favorite video. See you guys.
Sorry, it cracked on me.